Good morning, my dear students. Okay, are you all fine? Yes. So, shall we begin our class? Yes. Are you interested in studying biology? Yes. So, today we are going to study about biology. Okay. So, my dear students, so now teacher will show you a flashcard. Okay. So, by which you will understand the topic. Are you ready? Yes. So, is this flashcard visible? Yes. Okay. So, please observe the flashcard. Yes. So, I think you have clearly observed, isn't it? Yes. So, what did you see in the flashcard? Yes. You observed some people eating food, isn't it? Very good. So, does the food directly goes to the food pipe without any change in form? Yes. Your answer is right. It is not. Okay. So, the food is chewed properly and swallowed to the food pipe. Very good. Okay. So, now tell me how we chew the food properly. Yes. Yes. Correct. That is using our teeth. Very good. So, teeth helps in breaking the food of complex materials into small and sizable materials, and the teeth are in different shape and sizes, and also they perform different functions. Okay, so today we are going to learn about types of teeth. Types of teeth. Okay. So now teacher will give you a PowerPoint presentation and you have to clearly observe what is shown in it. Okay, are you ready? Yes. Okay, my dear students, so here is the PowerPoint presentation. I think you can see clearly, isn't it? Yes. You can observe the title incisors, and in the left side you can see an image of a incisor tooth. Okay, then you have 3 points, isn't it? Yes. So, teacher will read it out for you. Are you ready? Yes. So, the first point is, helps to bite and cut the food. Okay. What is it? Helps to bite and cut the food. Okay. So, here is the second point. The second point is front teeth in human beings. Okay. So, the second point is front teeth in human beings. Okay. Now, we can see the third point. So, what is the third point? Yes. There are 8 teeth in total. Okay, I think you get a clear idea, isn't it? Yes, once again, the image of incisors and then the 3 points. The points are helps to bite and cut the food. Second one, front tooth in human beings. Third one, yes, there are 8 teeth in total. Okay, I think you got a clear idea about incisors, isn't it? Yes, so now teacher will ask you some questions. Are you ready? Yes. So here is the first question. Listen to me carefully. Okay. So the incisors helps to tear the food. Is the statement true or false? Yes, that is the right answer. It is false. Okay. So here is the second question. Are you all ready? Yes. So the second question is, there are 6 incisors in each jaw. Is the statement true? Yes. You have the clap, that is the right answer. The statement is false. Okay, so teacher think you got a clear idea about incisor type of tooth, isn't it? Yes. So now we will discuss more about the first type, that is incisors. Okay, incisors are of 8 in numbers. Very good. Okay, so incisor are the tooth variety that helps to bite and cut the food. Okay, imagine eating a banana. Okay, so we bite and cut the banana. Very good. So they are the front teeth in human beings. As you all know, incisors are the front teeth in human beings. Very good. Then there are 8 teeth in total, 4 in each jaw. Okay, so the first 4 in the upper jaw and last 4 in the lower jaw. Very good. Then incisors also adds to aesthetic beauty. What is aesthetic beauty? Yes, aesthetic beauty is the outside beauty or the facial beauty. Very good. I think you got a clear idea, isn't it? Yes. So now we move on to the next activity. So now teacher will give you a chart based on canines. Okay. So you have to clearly observe the chart and teacher will read out the point for you. Are you ready? Yes. Okay. So here is the chart of canines. Okay. So we have the name canines and then we have the image of the canine tooth. Okay. Yes. Then we have 3 points and teacher will read it out one by one for you. Are you ready? Yes. So the first point is canines have pointed edge. Okay. So you can see in the image the canines are, yes, they have a pointed edge, isn't it? Yes. So they helps to tear the food. Okay. So imagine eating a piece of chicken. Okay. So we tear the food with our, yes, canines. Then resembles the fangs of a dog. They resembles the fangs of a dog. Okay. Very good. I think you got a clear idea, isn't it? Yes. So teacher will once again read the points for you. Canines, image of the canines. Canines have pointed edge. Canines helps to tear the food. Resembles the fang of a dog. Okay. I think you got a clear idea about canines, isn't it? Yes. So now teacher will ask you some questions. Are you ready? Yes. So the first question is, what is the function of canines? Anybody can answer. Yes, very good. To tear the food properly. Very good. Okay. Then here is my second question. How does canine get their name? Once again, how does canines get their name? Yes, she has got the correct answer. That is, it is because it resembles the fangs of a dog. Okay. Now we will discuss about canines in detail. Okay. So we were discussing about the canines. So the canines are, yes, 4 in numbers. Okay. So the canines that are slightly pointed teeth. Okay. And they are situated on the each sides of incisors. Very good. Then the canines resembles the fangs of a dog. Thus they got the name canine. Canines help us to tear the food properly. Okay. Once again, the canines are slightly pointed tooth on each side of the incisors. The canines resembles the fangs of a dog. So thus they got the name canine. And then canines helps us to tear the food properly. As we have already mentioned, eating a piece of chicken is the best example to understand the functions of canine tooth. Very good. So now we will watch a video based on premolars and molar tooth. Are you ready? Yes. So here is the video.
Next to each canine, there are 2 broad and flat teeth. They act as nutcracker and are used to grind and break the food into fine pieces. They are called premolars. There are 4 premolars in each jaw. Look at the last 3 teeth on both sides of each jaw. On both sides of each jaw, the last 3 teeth are broader than the premolars. These are called molars. Their function is similar to the premolars, but they are used to grind the food further into a fine paste. We have in total 32 teeth, 16 in each jaw.
Okay, my dear students. So I think you have clearly watched the video, isn't it? Yes. So to make sure that you have watched the video carefully, teacher will ask you some questions. Are you all ready? Yes. So here is the first question. What is the total number of premolar tooth in our mouth? Once again, what is the total number of premolar tooth in our mouth? Yes, you are glad the answer is right. It is 8 in number. Very good. So, are you ready for the second question? Yes. So, the second question is, which tooth are the largest tooth in our mouth? Once again, which tooth are the largest tooth in our mouth? Yes, he have given the correct answer. The answer is molar tooth. Very good. Okay, so here is the last and final question. How many molar tooth are present in the lower jaw? Once again, how many molar tooth are present in lower jaw? Yes, the answers are right. Most of you have answered correctly. The answer is 6. Very good. So now we will discuss premolar and molar in detail. Okay. So we saw premolars. Okay. So premolars are, yes, 8 in total. Okay. So finally we saw about, yes, molars. Okay, so molars are 6 in each jaw. That means, yes, there are 12 molars. Okay, I think you got a clear idea about molars, isn't it? Yes, so now we will discuss premolars and molars in detail. Okay, premolars are located between canines and the molar tooth. Very good. So, there are 8 premolar tooth in our mouth. The premolar tooth helps in chewing the food. Okay, once again, the premolar tooth helps in chewing the food properly. And the molars are the tooth located deep inside our mouth. Okay, so they are the farthest teeth. And the molars are 12 in total, 6 in each jaw. Very good. And this includes the, the wisdom tooth. Very good. And they are in 4 numbers. Very good. Then the molars helps in grinding the food in our mouth. So we saw that the premolars helps in chewing and the molars helps in grinding the food. Very good. Then the molars are the largest teeth in morphology. Okay. Once again, premolar tooth are located between canines and the molar tooth in our mouth. There are 8 premolars in our mouth. Then premolar tooth helps in chewing the food properly. Then the molars are the tooth located on the deep side of our mouth. Molars are 12 in total, 6 in each jaw. Very good. Then this includes the wisdom tooth. Okay. Then the molars helps in grinding the food properly. And the molars are the largest tooth in morphology. Okay, very good. So now we will see a PowerPoint presentation and then teacher will ask you questions. Okay, so you have to watch the PowerPoint presentation carefully. You will see the images and then they are labeled under in A, B, C and D. Okay, so teacher will ask you questions in random order and then you have to answer to me correctly. Okay, are you all ready? Yes. So here is the PowerPoint presentation. I think it is very clear for you, isn't it? We have the 4 structures of the tooth and then this label number. Okay, so the names are not given, it is just labeled. Okay, so now teacher will ask you one by one randomly and then you have to answer my questions. Are you ready? Yes. So, can anybody name what is in the picture C? Very good. Give her a clap. It is premolar tooth. Very good. Okay, then we will move on to option A. What is option A? Yes, that's the correct answer. It is incisor type of tooth. Very good. Okay, then we move on to the next one. Are you ready? Yes. So, can anybody name what is option D? Yes, that is exactly the right answer. It is the molar tooth. Very good. Then we finally move on to the option B. What is option B? Very good. That is the right answer. It is canines. Very good. Okay. So you got a clear idea, isn't it? So now we will look into the details of these tooth once again. Are you ready? Yes. So there are two main sets of teeth. First one is the milk teeth, which is present in our childhood, and the second type of teeth is, yes, the permanent tooth. Very good. Then there are four types of teeth. Okay, there are four types of teeth. Okay, as you can see, these are the four types. So we will discuss it one by one. Are you all ready? There are two sets of teeth, isn't it? Here, the first one is the milk teeth, and the second one is the permanent teeth. Okay, so then we have four types of teeth, isn't it? Yes, you have four types of teeth. Then the first one, that is, yes, the incisors. So the incisors are 8 in total. Okay, then the incisors helps us to bite and cut the food properly. Okay, good. Then the canines. The canines are 4 in total, isn't it? Yes, they are 4 in total. Then they get the name from the fangs of the dog, isn't it? As they resembles them. Very good. Then the canines helps to tear the food properly. Okay, we have mentioned that eating a piece of chicken. Very good. You know. Good. Then we move on to the premolar tooth, which is 8 in total numbers, isn't it? Yes. The premolar tooth helps us to chew the food properly. Once again, the premolar tooth helps us to chew the food properly. Very good. Then there are the molar tooth, isn't it? Yes, the molar tooth are 12 in total. Okay, that is 6 tooth in each jaw, and they include the wisdom tooth, isn't it? Yes, they include the wisdom tooth, and the molar are the largest tooth in morphology of human beings. Okay, good. Then molar tooth helps us to grind the food in our mouth. Okay, so you have to clean, and always you have to protect your teeth. Okay, very good. Then we will once again consolidate the whole topic. Are you ready? Yes. So there are two sets of teeth. The first one is the milk teeth, and the second one is the permanent teeth. And there are four types of teeth, and these include incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. Okay, then incisors are 8 in total. Incisors helps us to bite and cut the food. Imagine eating a banana. Good. Then the canines are 4 in total. They got their name as they resemble the fangs of a dog. Canines helps us to tear the food properly. Remember eating a piece of chicken. Okay, then we move on to the premolars and molars. Premolars are 8 in total. Okay, then the premolars helps us to chew the food properly. Okay, then we move on to the molars. Molars are 12 in total, 6 in upper and lower jaw. Then it includes the 4 wisdom tooth. Very good. Then the molars are the largest tooth in morphology of human beings. Then the molars helps in grinding the food properly. Okay, so imagine eating, yes, the rice. Okay, rice is properly chewed and grinded by, yes, the premolars and molars. Okay, so you have to brush your teeth daily to keep to clean and tidy. Okay. Then teacher will now give you two homeworks. Okay, so you have to mark down it your science diary. Are you ready? Yes. So here is the first homework. Give or collect the pictures of different types of animal tooth. Once again, collect the pictures of different types of animal tooth. Have you written? Okay, very good. So here is the second one. Prepare a labeled chart on types of tooth. Once again, prepare a labeled chart on types of tooth. Okay, I think you have clearly written the two homeworks, isn't it? Yes. So we will meet again in the another class. Okay. Thank you.